Hi guys, this is Tommy from South Africa showing you exactly how to mine. Well, this is how we do it in here. First of all, you need to find the perfect location. You're on the inside of the river bend. Got some nice conglomerate. River came from that side. This is the inside bend of the river. It went all the way around the corner there. Now I take that little old faithful spade. I use that pick over there. I fill these buckets. Even the bigger stones, you need to take them. Because the bigger stones, those are the ones that actually crushed and rolled the gold, all the alluvial gold. Then we bring it down to our homemade sluice box, which is the perfect means of the operation. We've got a little 12-volt battery, 12-volt pump, sucks the water up into the sluice box. By a sluice box, you need a little sift box where you throw all the bigger stones in, get rid of the bigger stones, wash the sand, get all that alluvial gold into your sluice, water washes it down, and Billy, that's my father, he's the man that actually takes all the gold out for us. He's the man that knows his stuff. He showed me this lovely conglomerate wall section, but that's on the outside of the river. The river used to flow here, I would reckon, over 1,000 years ago. This is an island. That's the upstream of the river, where it used to be. This is a big island, about 180 meters in length, 90 to 100 meters wide. The river now flows on the other side. And that's the Old Faithful Ford. Sluice box that I used yesterday in conjunction with my dad. We put mine behind his because I was under the impression that he's losing some gold through that sluice box. So I had mine running behind his to catch all the excess stones that comes off and the excess gold, which I thought was gold. Took it home, worked it out, not even a piece, not even a speck of gold. That sluice box, ladies and gentlemen, that catches everything. Next video, we'll show you exactly how to make it. It's going to cost you rand-wise, but $3 of course.
Yeah, but
Cost us 300 rand, South African rand, that's about 100, no, it's about 30, about $28 to make that whole box, and it works. Till later, out.